Okay guys, sorry. My mom called me back. Okay. So I already showed you some of what to do. I think last thing I was on was about to put in the food coloring. First, you're going to want to open the food coloring. You want 2 drops. 1, 2. Then you're going to want to screw the lid back on. Put it back in the container, because I'm just cleaning up as I go. Put it back up there. Then, so once you have all that done, you're going to want to put your funnel back in. Get yourself baking soda. I don't know why it says pure. I don't really know a lot of stuff about, yeah. So then you're going to want to put a bunch of baking soda in. Sorry, I know I'm not the best cameraman. I'm using one hand. So, yes, for baking soda. Okay, it's about to go. It's going really quick this time. I'm gonna scoot it back. Not really colored much, but I need to try it. Smash the like button. Oh, it's gone. Smash the like button if you want to see me get one of those huge, like 5-gallon water things, and do this with that. Get like 2 vinegar containers, 2 baking soda things, 2 of like all the stuff that it requires. Oh, it's like flooding. Build the wall. Build the wall. Build the wall. Build the wall. Okay. Also, I'm trying to make this good quality, but I'm not the best photographer or videographer, I guess. Oh, you guys might be able to hear the TV in the back. This Disney Channel. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is greatly appreciated. And yeah. I hope you guys liked it. And if you would like to see me make a super big version of this, please hit the like button. Hold on, I'm trying to get this thing up. Yeah, like you guys know those 5-gallon water things, water containers. I'll use one of those for it. Or if you guys would like to see me fishing down in the river in the summertime, or another sledding video, or another woods video, just practically anything. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, and also, I don't really know how to do it, so I'm not going to put the link, but also, the Mr. Beast 20 million trees thing, I'm sure everybody's heard about it. Yes, please donate. It's $1 for 1 tree. Yeah. I love playing in the woods, and without trees, that wouldn't be possible. And in case you guys were wondering, I don't chop down any living trees. I just find dead trees that I can push down, and me and Jensen go into the woods and, like, just for that, run around ramming into dead trees and pushing them to the ground. Also, if you guys would like to see a tour of the new fort, that'd be a fun video for me to make, even though it takes like 10 minutes to get back there. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Comment down below what you'd like me to make next. Please subscribe if you'd like. And if you didn't like this video, you can hit that button. But if you did like this video, hit that like button. Goodbye.